We don't have the Gallerie here in England, but I love their products and I adore these pumpkins, and the delivery prices is more expensive than the product itself. So when I saw this pumpkin here in England in Hobbycraft, I had to have it. So if you want to see what I've done with it, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Shule and I love home decor, I love glam, I love happy colors. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel so I can inspire you more with my relaxing and inspirational regular videos. In today's video, I'm so excited to participate in a collab called It's a Fall Thing. And this collab is hosted by two lovely ladies, Craft Today with Rita Renae and Miss Cheryl's Place. So if you're not familiar with their channels, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can go and check it out and subscribe while you're at it. Thank you so much, ladies, for giving me the opportunity to share my full DIY here in this collab. I really enjoyed participating. I use acrylic paint to color my pumpkin and I did the mixing over the pumpkin because this is what I like. I like uneven, ombre almost type of surfaces. Once it's dried, I applied gilding fluid and I had to make sure that it only went on the stalk and nowhere else, because when it's tacky you apply the silver sheet and I didn't want the silver sheet going over the pumpkin. 15 minutes later it was dried up and now I'm applying the silver sheet, and I love the effect because it gives really nice and shiny silver and it's much better and shinier than silver spray. I applied generous amount of Mod Podge for IKEA glass pieces to stick as they were very chunky. Looking beautiful already. I applied more glitter, more glam, more silver dust for it to really shine and sparkle. So this is the next day once it's dried, and it looks beautiful. Now I need to add leaves. My fall leaves are from eBay, and the wire, craft wire from the range store, and it was very inexpensive and extremely useful for DIY projects, and it was less than £1. I applied hot glue at the back of it so I could give a spine so it could stand up, and I covered the hot glue with glitter as well, so the back view would be beautiful as well as the front view. Now that everything is ready, I'm just arranging it, see how I feel, and attaching it with hot glue. And here's my Gallerie inspired super glam My Style My Colors way pumpkin, and I love it. It is absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational for your own DIY projects. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. And until the next video, my friends, bye bye.